Good morning. This is Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks rallied on Friday to finish the week strong after briefly losing momentum of the January rally. In Europe, economic upgrades are boosting sentiment thanks to lower energy prices, bumper government support, and the earlier than expected reopening of the Chinese economy, which is set to boost global demand. The upgrade comes after officials and business leaders at this week's annual World Economic Forum in Davos also embraced a more upbeat outlook, and the IMF signaled that it would soon upgrade its forecast for global growth. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 1%, while the S&P 500 advanced 1.9%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite rose 2.7%. The Nasdaq was also the outperformer for the week, posting a 0.6% gain and its third positive week in a row. The Dow finished the week lower by 2.7%, and the S&P posted a 0.7% loss, both breaking two-week win streaks. Investors continue to monitor earnings reports, and mega-cap tech shares led the market higher. Netflix gained about 8.5% after posting more subscribers than expected, even though its quarterly earnings missed analyst estimates. Alphabet rose more than 5% after the company announced that it would lay off 12,000 employees. That brings total layoffs in the tech industry to more than 200,000 over the last year, according to the Financial Times. But putting this into perspective only underscores big tech's breathtaking hiring spree during the pandemic. Believe it or not, most big tech workforces are up, way up, since the beginning of COVID. Microsoft hired 40,000 people from June 2021 to June 2022. So after the recent layoffs, it's still up 30,000 employees in 18 months. Alphabet's 12,000 layoffs represent approximately 33% of the staff it hired in the single year to September 2022. Meta hired more than 26,000 employees in 2020 and 2021. It recently cut 11,000 jobs. So what about Apple? The iPhone maker remains the only big tech company that it hasn't yet announced layoffs. One factor suggested that it could have hired far more methodically than its peers during the pandemic. Apple increased its headcount by just 6.5% in the year to September 2022, about the same growth rate it's had since 2016. The S&P 500 sectors all finished higher in Friday's trading. Semi-cap equipment, payments and fintech, internet and software helped the tech sector finish strong. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.5% gain. Thank you for listening.